Oh my goodness.
So big.
Happy Fourth. Cheers.
Hello everyone, welcome back to On the World Stage. If you're new here, my name is Mariel and I live in Japan. Right now I'm with my friend Makoto and we are at the Maihama American Village in Okinawa. And actually right now we're going to meet a friend who is another YouTuber. So keep watching if you want to see who we are meeting. By the way, we are dressed very American because it is actually July 4th, which is American Independence Day. So happy 4th. Who is it? It's Maria. She's meeting Makoto today. Oh, so nice to see you in Okinawa. So, Maria, how do you live in Okinawa? You used to live in such a cold country.
Yes, winter is very, very cold. But well, it's nothing to do. So you will used to it.
Oh, you get used to it.
You spend some time. But it's still very hard for me, very hard. Foreigners and travelers from other prefectures are walking around here, so you can understand easily. I want to take pictures.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh.
USA!
Oh, so cool!
That's cute. Oh well, no Christmas. Sorry. I don't know if to say sorry or sumimasen like half the time in Okinawa. Someone bumped into me and then I said sumimasen by accident, but I felt I should say excuse me. What do you think? Like what should you say if you bump into someone?
In a place like this, because here are many travelers, it's okay to say sorry. And actually nobody will expect from you to hear like sumimasen in Japanese, because everybody will think that you're American.
Yeah, right.
It happens with me every time, so everybody
Oh,
thinks I'm
okay.
American.
They think even you're American.
I'm used to, yeah.
But of course we have a Lawson because it's still Japan. Oh, it looks so beautiful already.
Maybe that's why Okinawan people is most happiest in Japan.
Yeah, I think so.
Happiness.
Yeah.
And Okinawa is the first place every year.
Yeah.
And actually, Okinawan people has very low income, you know.
Yeah.
It's the smallest in Japan.
We just found A and W. We walked out of the American Village because we wanted to go to A and W. This looks like America. I'm in America.
Oh my goodness!
So big.
I should have float also.
Yeah.
Happy Fourth. Cheers!
Thank you so much. And I hope to see you again.
Me too. Have a good time.
Hi Maria, thank you so much. See you.
Even though I don't have this.
Yeah, I wanted it like a souvenir. Maria just left, and yeah, we got American food together. A&W had root beer floats. Yeah, I can't believe how American it feels today. we're feeling nostalgic, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so later we're going to meet our friend by the beach over there. And before that, we're just going to stay cool, continue to explore this area, and take some pictures. So yeah, let's do it. Are you okay being in my vlog?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you're in here right now. Okay, I'm meeting him for the first time. Hey. Someone is borrowing Christian's guitar.
What's he gonna play? So much like you can't find his book. No.
Hello everyone! What are you eating?
From Family Mart.
From Family Mart. Yeah, they have that at Family Mart in Okinawa. So today we had a great time at the American Village and met two friends. We loved the vibes. It really felt like we were back in America, right?
Yeah, it was so much fun.
So unique. So if you want to experience America and Japan, definitely check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely follow Makoto on Instagram. It's linked below. ありがとうございました。またね!
There's like the two of us are